All right, gang, let's get this cook started. Blackstone. The far side, the left-hand side's about medium-high. The right side's on low. We're gonna start with our crinkle-cut fries on the far side. Then we're gonna get our diced jalapeno, our ground spicy sausage, and our bacon going on the other side here. So, here we go. Get them nice and spread out. And I'm telling you, if you have never tried French fries, wings, or onion rings on your Blackstone, do it. Give it a try. All right. A little bit more of oil. And we're gonna get these about a 10-minute head start on everything else. So when we go to turn these for the first time, I'll bring you back. And in the miracle of time, let's go. We're gonna get the sausage on and the bacon. Set my board over here. Get this chopped up a little bit. So now when I saw John do his carne asada fries, this is the first thing that popped into my head. Jalapeno popper loaded fries. There, we're starting to get a nice little color on there. Gonna drag some of that up with a little oil. Try to keep them as flat as you can, nice even layer. All right. We're gonna get the bacon broken up, the sausage broke up, and we will bring you back. You know, we got our fries going, we have our diced bacon on there, we have our ground spicy sausage on here. Now, if you don't want it as spicy as I like it, go ahead and use mild or, you know, medium ground sausage. Go ahead and stem and seed your jalapenos. Now I have some diced that I'm going to mix in with the bacon and sausage here shortly. And I also have some rings with the seeds in them for the top. You see the small cast iron pan? That is our cream cheese. We are going to heat that up in the cast iron pan, and we're going to pour that over top like a sauce. So, I don't know, dare I say, jalapeno popper poutine. A play on poutine. But it's definitely going to be loaded fries. We're going to keep cooking. Bring you back at the next step, gang. All right, we're getting some nice color on the bacon. The sausage is almost done. We're getting some nice golden brown on the fries. Now is the time we want to add our diced jalapeno to the bacon and sausage mix. And we're going to get this all mixed together. We want a light saute on the jalapenos, but we still want some crispness to them. So, now this is a half pound of the sausage, 4 strips of the bacon diced up, and 2 of the jalapenos that we had for this many fries. This is going to be more than enough for this. So we are going to let this finish off and get ready to plate it up, and we're going to give you a taste test. All right, gang, let's get this plated up for you. See how many of these I can scoop up without throwing on the ground. If I do, the official taste tester will love it. You guys have seen Chico. You know him. All right. And this is going to make a great snack to finish watching the NASCAR race. All right, get those spread out. What the heck? It's my cheat day on the diet. There you go. What do you say, gang? Now this is the part that'll make Keith Bettag cringe, but just put a few dollops around. Now this is 1 block of regular cream cheese, and then I had some chive cream cheese also. There you go. And to finish, we're going to add all of our jalapeno slices. So there you have it, gang. Jalapeno popper loaded fries. We're going to get a picture for the thumbnail, then I'm going to give you a taste test. All right, before we do the taste test, I want to give a shout out to John at Meat Militia. Loaded fries, he's got a couple up there already, gang. He's got Philly cheesesteak and carne asada. Please, go check John out, Meat Militia, and tell him Daddy Dutch sent him. I forgot a fork, and we're going to do a taste test when I get back. What a better way to celebrate NASCAR race day. Beautiful day here in the Midwest. A few clouds, but not bad. You've seen it. Now let's try it. See if we can get everything together in there. This is going to make a mess. And there we go. There we go. Here, cheers, gang. I think I just found my favorite new loaded fries. Ha. Get a nice little heat from that spicy sausage. Then the cream cheese kind of cools it down. Here we have one of the jalapeno discs in it. The bacon adds a nice little saltiness. So, cheers, y'all. Y'all can't see it. Chico's sitting here just begging me to drop something. So, John, thank you again for this great idea. If you want to get in, I will have the hashtag on the video, but I believe it's just hashtag loaded fries. So come up with your own idea. Use the hashtag, put it out there. Let's see what we got. Thanks everybody for stopping by. I want you to all take care, be well, and we'll see you on the next video.